I wanted to show you guys my Transworld Haul. Transworld is a haunted house convention in St. Louis, and I just went this past weekend. It was super, super fun. But I'm going to tell you guys my Transworld Haul. So I got a whole bunch of stickers and a whole bunch of catalogs that like had information about what the vendors sold and stuff like that, so that was super fun. I also got a lot of makeup stuff because obviously I'm a makeup artist. I got a couple of Maron paints, super excited about these. I got some colors that I didn't have in my kit. I also got some stencils from Pro Air, so I'm super excited to use these. I got some perma blood. This isn't used for the face, but this is used for props and stuff like that. From Graffiti FX, I wanted to try out their colors, so I got a tryout kit, and then they have these super cool mouth tablets that change the color of your saliva, I guess, so it can make them really creepy and really fun. So I'm excited to try those guys out. I did get a couple of t-shirts from Closed Casket Studio, and they gave me stickers and this little patch, which was super fun. And finally, I got some Infected Effects foam latex prosthetics, which I'm super, super excited about. So I got a werecat and I got a goblin, so I cannot wait to use these. I got one of these from Mill Products, and basically it's for me to put my cups so they don't spill all over the table. I also got a whole bunch of Legos, and I also entered into a couple of raffles. And guess what? I won! One of the products I won was some silicone from Smooth On or Reynolds. And I also won a big prize from European Body Art, which was an airbrush, a mini compressor, and one of their new palettes, which is alcohol paints. So that's still coming in the mail, but I can't believe I won two of the raffles at Transworld. Like, it was absolutely insane. So I'm super excited for that to come in. I'm also waiting because I ordered like this, I don't know what it is. It's like the zombie with a tongue that moves. It's like a clock, but it's not a clock, and it moves. But I had to order that and have it shipped in. And then this, I got a huge bag from Bloody Mary. So Bloody Mary also autographed it for me, which is super exciting. She's so sweet. And I also visited my buddy at Black Lagoon Supply, and he got me some Dead Set cream. So it's basically going to be like Prozac cream, and he's just trying it out. So he gave me a couple containers, and I cannot wait to make some Prozac transfers from them. But other than that, my Transworld haul was amazing. Oh, I forgot the best part. The best one I got, which I knew I was going to get, was a big old bag of guts. So CFX had this deal where you can buy 4 pounds and get a pound for free of guts. So I figure they'll make really cool additions to my videos and stuff.
Yummy!
Delicious. So, yeah!